Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living, just one block from the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 3U, a 2-bed, 1-bath apartment on the 3rd floor. Let's head on in. We enter into your combined living room and kitchen. The kitchen is directly to the right of the door, and you'll have a microwave, a dishwasher, an electric oven and range, and a refrigerator, as well as plenty of cabinets. In the living room, you'll have 7 pieces of furniture: a love seat, a coffee table, an armchair and an end table, and a dining table with 2 chairs. One great feature of Cityview is the high ceilings and the tall windows that let lots of light into this corner apartment. On into bedroom 1. Each bedroom has 5 pieces of furniture: a bookcase, a full-size bed, a desk and desk chair, and a dresser, as well as plenty of closet space. Each room is air-conditioned and has a heating element. Bedroom 1 faces south. On into bedroom 2. You'll see the same 5 pieces of furniture. Again, a large closet. This is a corner bedroom with 1 window facing south and 1 window facing west. One great feature of Cityview is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice spacious bathroom with a shower and tub combo, and a vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent for apartments in Cityview includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Cityview 3U. Call us today for availability.